No down payment promo for a house and lot here in Las Piñas City at move-in ready na din? Yes, meron tayo niyan, so keep on watching. Hi everyone, it's me again, Kiara Pepito Sabido for another premium house tour here in Las Piñas City. And for today, I'm gonna show you this brand new modern duplex house and lot for sale in Talon 5, Las Piñas. And yes, you heard it right, naka-promo pa tayo na may option ka for a no down payment and pwede mo nang lipatan basta approve ka na ng bangko. Tara, samahan nyo. For this unit pala, may lot area ka na 120 square meters, kaya naman, eto may provision ka for 2 carport. May pocket garden ka na rin and you have here a walkway to your service area. This unit is complete finish, kaya naman upon turnover, lilipatan mo na lang talaga to. And yes, what you see in this house tour video is the actual turnover of this unit na rin. This is gonna be your spacious living, dining, and kitchen area. Sa ground floor, meron kang 1 full toilet and bath, maid's quarter, and may service area ka na rin for your daily kitchen as well as laundry space. Yes, and your renovation for this unit, it can be done upon turnover sa inyo at once approved ka na ng bangko. Very few units nga ang meron tayo dito sa Las Piñas na nag-o-offer ng zero down payment o walang DP. Wherein you can loan the full amount of the property sa bangkong mapipili mo. And of course, we can provide assistance for the bank loan processing para hassle-free na talaga sa'yo. Here pala sa second floor, we have 3 more bedrooms kung saan ang master's bedroom ay may own toilet and bath na rin. And of course, may 1 toilet and bath tayo for common use. Kasama na rin palang mga built-in cabinets, kaya naman wala ka na talagang iisipin. For this unit, we have 1 remaining inventory and price starts at 9.5 million pesos and have it through cash payment at pwedeng-pwede rin i-loan sa bank. Ang ganda ng unit na to, diba? Kaya wag mo nang palagpasin. Tara, tripping na tayo. Link in bio or call or message us in our Viber, WhatsApp, and IMO number para ma-assist ka ng team namin for a free and exclusive house viewing. See you soon at paalam!